What's happening, people? I'm here at Faro. I'm in Faro Cathedral. Just paid €5 to have a look round. Here's the Paleo Cathedral here. We've got some orange trees. We have Chapel of St. Michael in here. Check it out. I guess that is St. Michael. Some nice frescoes. We've also got a tower we can climb, and we've got a bone church. I've never been in a bone church before. I do find it a little bit macabre that they're using bones of dead people to decorate churches, but I'm going to go and check it out. I'm not sure how I feel about that, but we're going to go and have a look at it for you. Anyway, check out the nice orange trees in this courtyard. Scarlett's trying to not be on camera. This is my daughter hiding behind this pillar. She doesn't want to be on camera. Scarlett, get on the video. Stop being a douchebag. Right, so here we are inside the cathedral. I guess that is Mary. Look at that, man. Church organ pipes. How cool is that? Looks like they're doing some kind of restoration work there. I do like that, man. Look at that. Look at the craftsmanship there. That is pretty awesome, isn't it? Palatial religiosity. Man, this is a nice cathedral. Look at this. There we have it, Jesus. I'll just take you around. Oh, look at this. Look at that, man. The craftsmanship that's gone into this. Amazing. Right, I think this is a money shot, guys. Look at that one. Boom. Nice, eh? Wowzaroonies. Boom. Look at that. That is awesome, man. Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on with this section. They must be doing some kind of restoration work. That bit is that for taking confession? Not sure. Here we have it, some kind of bishop. And I'll give you a closer look at this section here. Wow, man, look at that. How intricate is that? That is really nice. Right, we're going to go up the tower. Let's go. Oh no, this is the museum section, I think. Let you have a quick look around these bits. You can tell I'm not researched on any of this. I'm just like, you know, winging it here. Like I say, it's €5 to see all of this. Some nice sculptures, isn't there? Who's this guy? São Pedro. He was a martyr. There. St. Peter, martyr of Verona. Hi there, mate. San Joaquin, father of the Virgin Mary. Santa Anna. Right, let's go up the tower. I want to see the view.
That's what we call agnostical.
How do we do that bit?
Yeah, it used to be agnostic after school.
Here we go. Let's go to the top, Scarlett. Look at this bit, guys. More frescoes. Boom. Look at that. Okay, let's go up the tower. Let's go. Hey. Sorry, how do we? Hey. Bit tight on them stairs, difficult for people to pass each other. Anyway, there's the clock tower. Bell tower, what am I talking about? Check it out. We're going to go on a boat trip to the beach next. I think that's the beach over there. We're going to get the boat from that little jetty over there. So I'm out of breath from climbing on them stairs, so let's go and check out the bone church. We're back in the courtyard, so the chapel of bones, the macabre bit, is in here. Look, oh, it's really tiny. Look, you see there's the remains of skulls. Some of them have rotted away, I think. You can't really see it that well, but yeah, that's all human bones. Yeah. Bit macabre for my liking, but you know, there it is. What do you think of the cathedral, Scarlett?
Stop filming me.
Why doesn't my daughter want to be on the vlog?
I don't know why you're talking to it, because you're going to edit it out.
Well, I might not.
Well, you will, or I'll report you.
Report me to who? The internet police?
Yeah.
Right, this was Faro Cathedral. We're going to go to the beach next. See you in the next video. Peace.